Kids today spend most of their waking time on their smartphones, and in reality, it's actually making them really unsmart. It's painfully obvious that too much phone time is seriously affecting our children's attention span and their ability to learn. And when kids have access to adult phones and unrestricted internet, things happen like cyberstalking, body image insecurity, violent images, brain-shrinking online gaming, increased anxiety, online creeps, misleading online information, and reduced attention span. Right, honey?
Huh?
See what I mean? And inappropriate content.
Mom, what are these people doing?
Give me that. Where was I? Oh yeah, cyber bullies.
Hey Mom, can I have a credit card to buy some diet pills?
What?
These girls on my phone are calling me fat.
Give me this. And that's why I'm giving my children the Teracube Thrive smartphones. Boom. The Teracube Thrive checks off all the boxes, is tailor-made for kids, and it's incredibly simple to set up within minutes. So unlike those other phones, you get to decide what your kids see and for how long, so they don't spend countless hours on games, social media, websites that aren't kid-appropriate. So kids don't need the latest and greatest mega-dollar phone every few months. And with Teracube's premium care warranty, kids can keep using their phone for a very long time, saving you money and peace of mind. And unlike some of those other phones that claim to be kid-safe, Teracube Thrive is workaround-proof, and even the smartest kids won't be able to hack it. Or as I like to say, it's shenanigan-proof from my little genius.
Mom, I can't play my Zombie World game anymore.
Oh, I know, hon. But why don't you try playing outside?
What's an outside?
Oh, don't worry, son. You're gonna love it. It's like a video game without any batteries. And now your kids can do things that expand their minds and don't shrink their attention span.
I just joined the math club and won first place for solving climate change.
I just painted a picture of Steve Jobs. Upside down.
Now our kids can be kids again while being more creative and having fun with real friends. Kids today are spending more and more time on their devices, and their future is important to us. So if you're gonna get them a phone, join our community of parents just like you and get your kid a safe phone that lets them thrive.